Hello, journalers. How have you been? I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm sharing my Tokyo Station Traveler's Journal haul and we'll set it up together. I'm so excited because this journal has been on my bucket list for a long time. So, first, I'll show you what I got, then we'll move into the setup. Let's begin. First is the Tokyo Station Traveler's Notebook in the regular brown color. We'll open this later during the setup. This refill was stamped at Tokyo Station, so it feels like a small memory from the visit. Next are the charms. The Sakura charm is from Starbucks Reserve Roastery Tokyo, and the train charm matches the Tokyo Station theme. For decorating, I picked up the latest customized sticker set and underlay. We'll use the stickers on the refills later. I couldn't skip the Tokyo Station letterpress sticker, and these Panam stickers fit the travel theme too. I got 2 postcards, plus the zipper case and craft paper folder for the setup. I got 6 new refills as well. Hopefully this will last until the end of the year. For today, we'll decorate 3. Lastly, I also got the Black Traveler's Factory Washi Tape. Alright, now let's start the setup. This Tokyo Station design is so gorgeous, and since I'm based in Tokyo, it feels extra special to have this in my collection. Let's start the setup by adding the charm first. I really love how it matches the theme. Next, let's work on the refills. I'll decorate them quickly first, then we'll place them inside the letter cover. Now I'm done decorating the refills. I really enjoyed putting these together and I love how each one has its own little travel story. Here's the craft folder. I decorated it with some pressed flowers, customized stickers, and washi tape. Next is the zipper case. This will be useful for keeping small stickers and ephemera inside the journal. Here's a quick look at the Pan Am stickers. These Tokyo Station letterpress stickers are making me overthink where to use them. They feel too precious, so I'll wait for the right time, which probably means never. Now that everything is ready, let's start putting the setup together. It turned out so chunky in the best way and I honestly love it. For the final touch, I added a brass clip, ribbon clip, and ruler. I love how they make the outside look a little more finished and collected. Let me give you a quick final flip through of the setup so you can see everything together. For the last part, I want to give my old traveler's journal a small makeover by changing the charm to the Sakura one. Here's the final look. The Sakura charm is such a small change, but it makes the journal feel softer. And here they are together. The Tokyo Station setup turned out very travel themed and chunky, which I really love. My old traveler's journal also feels a little refreshed now with the Sakura charm. I'm really happy with how both of them turned out. Alright journalers, that's it for today's haul and setup. I hope you enjoyed this cozy little setup session with me. Thank you so much for spending your time here, and if you enjoyed this video and want to see more Japanese stationery content, I'd love for you to join us here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!